This is Adjust Your Focus. I have been everywhere today, and I'm finishing here at a familiar place. What we have, I have a buck coming in behind to my back, and this buck here sees him for the first time. There was a building blocking him, and the other one was coming in. Here comes another buck over there. And the doe situation is crazy. There was 6 of them off in this direction, and there's some behind me. Okay. This buck's coming into the picture. And this buck is coming right in. Hello there, are you trouble? You have that demeanor of, I'm gonna get right up on you. Hello, are you trouble? You got big if you're trouble. In this case, I'm approaching bucks and rut. I walked in here because I haven't seen these guys in a long time. So they're getting along right now. All these does are out and they're getting along. Not sure what's happening. I did give them a verbal greeting off camera. They're not slowing down much for me, though. That one doesn't like me coming, sidling up here. This one put up with it for a while. This is what we been eating, some wet stuff. This guy's on high alert because I'm on his territory right now. And look at his group behind him there. Those other bucks left. I don't think this guy challenged, but by God, I think I see another buck to the left. I see Smooth behind me. There's some activity going on by Smooth that I don't want to discuss, but here we go. There's your sign. I want you to see his group right there. And there's more. They're over to the left. And a really small one took off. It's like a fondo. So that's a perfect ending to walking all over. Oh, there's a little one down there. Okay, here's a whole different, where is it? Whole different sign. Not as shiny as the one I saw at the other park. Really dull and a lot of pellets, and then here's some more wet diet. Here's that, and they spend a lot of time up here. And the buck's walking off. I'm gonna go see about that other buck. I kind of want to see where this guy's gonna flop down at. Where are you gonna flop down? You're gonna stay where your does are? You can't go too far. These bucks here are pretty chill. They got an easy life, evidently. I'm lost. Where is he? There he is. 58 degrees now. For a while there was a cool breeze and it was starting to get me, but it quit again. So there's a large graveside service going on, and wouldn't you know, these guys would be out. It's not that far away. There's a little bit of blockage by buildings. Well, he's looking good. Not bad. Yeah, you're looking good. I give you my approval. He's watching those toes. He's waiting. I have not seen Big Daddy in eons. If any of these is Big Daddy, I'm not aware of it. Big Daddy may have gone to the Happy Hunting Grounds as well as Browbro, because I haven't seen Browbro in a very long time either. Smooth was laying down. He went and laid down right out in the open over there. He's takes him effort just to lie down. It looks awkward. So I don't think he's going to be doing any rutting activity, to tell you the truth. I think these guys have a fair amount of does here they can deal with. They're looking like they might be a little exhausted. I was looking back at pictures from 4 years ago, the early December pictures. Uh-oh, these two bucks are watching each other. The early December pictures, so like December 9th. Big Daddy just looked all bedraggled. Skin hanging already. Lost a lot of weight from the rut 4 years ago. So they run themselves ragged. And these two are still on high alert. What's he thinking about? Some of the funeral people are starting to leave. I'm going to walk away. Hold on. And this is the other one. I've been out here a lot and not seen much activity. So today's a day they like. 55, 58 degrees now. There are fences here, but I've seen Bravo outside the fence in the middle of suburbia, so any buck worth his salt can jump this fence here. It's about 6.5 feet, and there's a lot of open gates. This is that little buck with the little horns. And this is another gorgeous buck. Simply gorgeous, right? Whoop. Simply gorgeous. And a lot of does just loitering all over the place. No chasing going on that I can find. Just trying to keep my activities limited because there is other things going on here. Have a great weekend. This is Saturday, so have a good one.